Moving on, Nairobi Governor Johnson Sakaja has revealed that he is in talks with Energy Cabinet Secretary Opiyo Wandayi to resolve the long-standing financial dispute between the county government of Nairobi and the Kenya Power and Lighting Company.
The two institutions owe each other billions of shillings, and Sakaja, appearing before the Senate committee, stated that they have agreed on a structured plan to settle the outstanding bill monthly.
However, he criticized Kenya Power for failing to account for the billions it owes the county.
Our political affairs reporter Grace Nganga has the details.
The Senate committee on Tuesday focused on the absence of a formal payment agreement between Nairobi County and Kenya Power regarding outstanding electricity bills, a dispute that previously led to a dramatic protest where garbage was dumped outside Kenya Power's headquarters in Nairobi.
The government of Nairobi pays without an agreement. You just said there'll be 60.
No, we pay based on, that's what I'm saying, Senator Kalwale. I'm saying we pay based on the bill. So when they give us the bill, that is what will determine the current.
There needs to be evidence that there was an agreement on what you pay.
There was nowhere you signed an agreement with Kenya Power saying that there will be billing or these estimates of 60. Where's that information other than?
No, there's not.
That's the problem.
Governor Sakaja remained firm, stating that he will not expose Nairobi residents to a settlement plan that does not account for Kenya Power's debt to the county, pointing out that the utility company had failed to acknowledge way-leave charges amounting to 4 billion shillings, making it difficult to sign any binding payment agreement.
The agreement that I can stand and hold is one that acknowledges both debts. That one, that is the one I will sign.
So,
I'm sorry, we don't have to agree.
What's stopping you, Governor? What challenges are you having?
Because they've refused.
So please, Governor.
If I put in writing and sign that I must pay you 60, the day I pay you 50, I'm exposing myself. Because there are months which, look, we're sitting in the Senate. The last time counties got money is January. How would I pay February and March? And then you want me to have signed that I must pay that, surely.
Governor,
that's exposing the county government.
It's not about...
Sakaja further informed the committee chaired by Siaya Senator Oburu Oginga that discrepancies in the billing from both parties had necessitated a joint verification process to address Kenya Power's substantial claims against the county. The governor was also pressed to justify the introduction of a new garbage collection firm, Green Nairobi Limited, a private entity owned by the Nairobi County government.
We will get to a point where we all agree that we don't need a county governor.
There's no privatization, Senator. Unless Nairobi is a private company.
It is a private company.
No, it is owned by a public entity. It's a public body. That's why they're audited. Why do the audits come to the Senate?
Grace Nganga, KTN.
Well, thanks, Grace Nganga. We want to take a short break, but before we do that,